Hi guys, how are you? I am Abdullah. Today my topic name is ISCSI. ISCSI Internet Small Computer System Interface is a protocol that allow SCSI commands to be set over a TSP IP network enabling remote access to storage device. Here is a some key aspect of ISCSI. Definition: ISCSI is a protocol for transmitting SCSI commands over IP network allow for block level data transfer between device. Number two, architectures. Enter silent sends SCSI commands to the target server receives SCSI components and manage storage. Number 3, benefits: remote access to storage device, consolidating storage management, improve scalability and flexibility. Number 4, components: ISCSI and annotator software, e.g. Microsoft ISCSI annotators. ISCSI target to software, e.g. ISCSI target server network interface structure, e.g. switches, routers, configuration setting to up and annotator and target configuring network setting, e.g. IP addresses, ports. Authenticating and authorizing access. Number 6, security authorization method, e.g. CHAP keyboards, inscriptions, e.g. IP seconds, access control and authorization. Number 7, performance optimizing network setting for performance using multiple connections, e.g. MPIO. Here are some additional advanced topics related to IC. Number 1, ISCSI extensions. ICSI by directical ICSI bit allows for simultaneous data transfer in both directions. ICSI our remote direct memory access. ISCSI RDMA use RDMA for improved performance. Number 2, ICSI security considerations, encryptions method, e.g. as SSL, TLS, authentication mechanisms, keyboard, CHAP, access control and authorizations. Number 3, ISCSI performance optimization, network optimization, Jumbo frames, VLANs, storage optimization, e.g. disk, algem caching, antenna and target turning. Number 4, ICSI troubleshooting common issue, e.g. connectivity problems, performance issues, troubleshooting tools, e.g. SISI logs, network sniffers. ICSI and virtualizations using ICSI with virtualizations platforms, e.g. VMware, Hyper-V, virtualizing ISCSI annotator and targets. Number 6, ICSI and cloud storage using ICSI with cloud storage providers, e.g. AWS, Azure, integrating ICSI with cloud-based storage solution. Number 7, ASCSI future developments. Emerging trends, e.g. NVMe over fabrics, ISCSI over TCP IP offload engines. Future achievements and improvements. Number 1, ICSI in storage area network, SANS. Integrating ISCSI with SAN using ASSI has SAN transport protocol. Number 2, ICSI in a network attached storage NAS using ISCSI with object storage solution. Integrating ISCSI with object storage protocols, e.g. S3 Swift. Number 4, ISCSI and hyperconvergent infrastructure HCL using ICSI with HCL solutions.